What's up guys, I'm Winchester. Today we're on CaseHug and we got $15,000 balance guys. Welcome to my video. Before the video guys, you can see we have a giveaway. We are giving you $250 worth of passive and floor. If you want to join this giveaway, all you have to do is minimum $3 code Winchester, then you will be able to join my giveaway. And also another giveaways here. Talon Knife Crimson Web $750. If you want to join this, there is a minimum $3 with my code Winchester guys. So click here and tap my code Winchester. It goes to 20% referral bonus also. So let's go to our video. Let's go to the case battle section. Let's create one, 2 versus 3. Now let's test some cases. Oasis here 10 times. Lord 10 times. Snake 10 times. And whole case 5 times for the $5,000 case battle. Let's create it and let's play with boss. Let's go. J47 Legend of Honeybees. Emperor for Hellish, $20. They got the Royal. If you pink Deripad, $180. Here comes a Royal. Let's roll. If you print stream here, $170. Okay. AVP pink to the pet, they got it. Okay, close. M Bennett lower $1,400, they got it. And looks like they're gonna win. Quran beat lower, oh my god. Okay, 175, they got it. Okay. Okay, K47s. Okay. Okay, Talon Knife. We got it now, we're on the lead. The HOWL case. Medusa, oh my god. He went us. On the case for the bot, he got a royal. Oh my god, they got a royal. That's bad. That's bad. Talon Knife. Okay, 1000. And the last one. Come on, please. Okay, we're gonna roll that. We won the case battle. Nice. That's a great case battle for us. Butterfly knife, blue steel, $2,000, and we won the case battle with $10,000. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.